How to log in into the Wells Fargo Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Wells Fargo Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Wells Fargo Employee Access Team Works. Open it. You will be directed to the official website. Here you will see this home kind of icon. Click on it. Now click on the option of Sign On. Now from this page, you are able to access your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Wells Fargo employee account. Type in your username, then type in the password. Likewise, if you want to save your username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten the password or username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign On, and just like that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log in into the Wells Fargo Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.